Alright, we are on the bell-cord Couloir, trying to finish the 58 14ers in Colorado today, and we are going to go for the Maroon Bells Traverse. So see how it goes. Beautiful sunrise. This is perfect consistency, just firm enough to be solid, but also soft enough to get good traction. It's supposed to be about 45 degrees at its steepest. We're at the bottom, so it's not too bad yet. Getting to the more interesting part of the route. I don't think it is that far, but I will quadruple check on the phone. Beautiful sunrise shaping up out in the distance. We are getting some discontinuous snow here, so we are going up on a waterfall. Yay! The sun has come up since the grade has steepened a little bit, but I think the true beautiful alpine part is above us. So definitely not the waterfall, for future reference. That was fun. Reminded me a little bit of how to do mixed climbing. Got water everywhere, always good. Short break, we are back on track and heading into the fun part, which better be continuous snow and ice, or I might have some hesitations about it, but it will be really fun. Beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Waiting a tiny bit for Javier to catch up, and then we'll head on up. It is getting steeper and more fun by the minute. Beautiful, beautiful views all around. We are about to go up there. Should be the fun part. Tops out at about 13.8. So it's that little tiny snow thing in the middle. If you look carefully, you can see a climber up there, I think, still, or maybe he's actually made it further up. But yeah, we are headed for that narrow little patch of snow, and it doesn't really look that much steeper than what we've done so far, if at all. So yeah, we'll see. Beautiful day so far. Excellent weather. Couldn't ask for better conditions. Slow and steady progress. Conditions have been good and stable. We are at about 12,400, maybe 12,500, and we have another 1,500 feet left. The route goes up through that narrower spot, and it looks like that's where the steepest part's gonna be, and then it eases up and ends on the ridge line from where we're gonna veer left and get the South Maroon Peak. Near the steepest part, doing good. A little bit of clouds in the sky. We'll make decisions once we get up there. Oh. Alright, we're almost there. I think this was quite possibly the hardest, steepest, narrowest part. I moved pretty quickly, mostly because I was concerned about any potential rockfall, and also wanted as much space between me and Javier as possible, also to minimize the risk for him. But yeah, we are almost at the ridge line. I'm guessing it's right up there. And after that, at some point, we'll be taking the crampons off. To be honest, I'm ready for it. This was fun, but I am ready for some hiking and scrambling without crampons. Really beautiful day. A few clouds are starting to pop up. We're gonna have to make some decisions up on Maroon Peak and see if we want to go for the traverse and we feel that that's safe at our pace, especially with those clouds out there, or if we just want to descend the class 3 back to the lakes. Honestly, I am happy either way. It's a beautiful day. Come back, climb another day if we don't do the traverse today. I live here, it's not too far. Really doesn't get better than this. Woohoo! We are at the top of the Couloir. What's left is the ridge line. I suspect I'll be taking the crampons off in a sec. Whoops, still pretty deep. Oh crap. Hello, snow. Alright. I promise I was more graceful than that going up. Oh wow. This is not a big ridgeline. Almost on Maroon Peak. There's North Maroon and the traverse. It looks exciting. Just finished gaining a loose gully and wrapping up for Maroon Peak. It's It's right up there. Woohoo! Maroon Peak via the bell-cored Couloir. That was exciting. One left, you're looking at it. It's the North Maroon Peak. It's like half a mile for the traverse, but I think we got here a little bit too late. It is after 11, and as you can see, there are some clouds that are building vertical. And I'm exhausted. In all honesty, I could do this if it was earlier, but it's gonna take a while to do the technical traverse, and not 100% sure we have it today, but what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day overall. And just doing the Couloir was spectacular. One to go. We are we are on top of Maroon Peak via the bell-cored Couloir, and that's gonna be our day. But what a day. It's been spectacular. Actually, technically it's up there, so Javier still has to get up there on the snow. So we are finally out of hopefully the loose, slow class 3 that also happens to have a ton of snow in it, just to make it more fun. And there's definitely some storms in the distance, which puts a tiny bit of urgency on it, but let's not rush it. The last few miles should be fast and safe. Almost on the easy part.